Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix no sound problem in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing that in your phone, you are you have no sound from your speakers. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go to the scroll down your control center, and here you have to make sure that you are not connected to any Bluetooth device. You can also try to disable your Bluetooth from here. After disabling your Bluetooth, go to your settings here, go to sound and vibrations, go to volume. Make sure that you have set all the volumes to be maximum from here. Once you have maximized all your volumes, you can go back and you can have to retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it still not fixed your issue, go to settings, go to check for updates or software update here, click on check for updates and make sure that you haven't any pending software update. Or if you might have, just try to update your software. After updating your software, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get the issue again. Or if you are still facing the same issues, you just have to scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and now click on restart again, and after that it will restart your PC. So once you have restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.